Hey, good day, my people. How you doing today? Um, excuse me. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to crop out a logo from any video using online tools, or how to add your own logo to cover up a logo in any video. So, first, we're going to be making use of two websites. One of them is onlinevideocontent.com, and another one is vidlogo.com. So let's go get that done. Yeah, okay. Now I'm gonna choose, this is onlinevideocontact.com. Now I'm gonna choose the file I want to cut off the logo from. So this is the video I want to use. I click the video, click open. Good, this is the video for one of my clients. Now I want to remove this animator video. Oh, excuse me. I want to remove this animator logo. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna drag down. I don't know, maybe you can see this. This button. This button is crop button. So I'm gonna click this crop button and click custom and drag it up. Drag it up. Good. Okay. Now the video is cool. If I play the video, no logo. Yeah, good. Another thing I want to remove from this video is this created using animator. I don't want it, so I'm gonna drag it here, drag it here, drag it, drag it. Okay, good. Okay, I think we're good now. So the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on save button. Good. The video is ready, so download it. Let's see the video. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, very good. Now the second one I want to show you is video branding. It's called vidlogo.com. So now I'm going to click on this button, add files. So I'm going to click on the file I want to add, click open. I'm going to wait a minute. Okay, good. Alright, now I'm going to click next button. Now good, this is awesome. Now because I've added the logo earlier, that's why you can all see the logo here. But if you are doing it for the first time, you will see no logo. So what I'm going to do is drag this button here. Let me just show you. Let me refresh my system. So let me click the button, next button. Okay, good. These are it will look like. So you drag it here, you drag it here. Okay, you drag this forward. Okay, now I'm gonna go to my system, check for logo. This is one of the logo I want to use. Drag it, drop. Good, it's cool. Now click on the generate button, generate video button. Okay, now 64%. We got it there. Okay, good. 85%, 89%. All right, the video is automatically. It will download automatically. So let's watch the video. Good. Now you can see my logo is here. Very good. But one thing again here, you will see this particular background created using Animaker. So you can now go back to this place, then do that the former one we did by just uploading that same video that has the one we just did as this particular one. Come over here, upload it here. We just want to remove created by Animaker. Okay. Okay. The video is loading. Okay. Okay, good. Now, so what am I going to do now? I want to remove that background. Let me play the video first. Okay, you see? So I want to remove that. Come over here. Come over here. Okay, good. Now I can save it. Download. I'm good to go. Excuse me. Now let's check it out. Good. Very good. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to click the subscribe button and also click the bell button to get updates on my new videos. Thank you.